How to set up, align, and use Xhorse XC-003 manual key duplicator. Sturdy, heavy-duty manual key duplicator with built-in deburr. A quick press of the red power button engages safe mode, where the blade only spins once X-axis handle is engaged. Long press of the red button engages constant run mode for deburring. The white button is for the built-in light. Synchronizing jaw is used to lock X-axis handle in place and for tip alignment. Four-sided multi-jaws ensure every type of side-cut key can be precisely duplicated. We're using side A to copy a KW1 key. Open the jaw and insert the original key into the left clamp and the blank key into the right clamp, key aligning at shoulder stop. Make necessary adjustments so blade and guide are equally touching the inserted keys. Then, engage the X-axis arm to begin. After cutting, remove the key and hold to the deburr to remove all sharp edges and key debris. Perfect duplication. To find your XC003 manual key cutter, visit UHS-Hardware.com now and search for Xhorse. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you're following along and find out when all new videos come out. Thank you for watching and have a great day.